over evil. In India, all the festivals are celebrated with a lot of excitement and vigor. Almost the whole of India and many parts of the world are lit with diyas, candles and lights on Diwali. I will show you a few glimpses of these beautiful sights. Diwali, dispel all the darkness and enlighten all souls. I call upon Adya Anuragi to lead us into the prayer. Bless us, dear God, in our school today. And all we do in work or play. Keep us in thy loving care and guide us to wisdom, kindness and prayer. Thank you. Thought for the day. Let us call upon Shreya to present the thought for the day.
Light a lamp of love, blast a chain of sorrow, shoot a rocket of prosperity, fire a flower pot of happiness. Wish you and your family happy sparkling Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness. Now we invite Tamara Lakshmi Ajay to tell the significance of Diwali. Good morning, one and all. My name is Tamara Lakshmi Ajay. I'm here to speak a few lines about Diwali. There are lots of festivals in India. One of my favorite and important ones are Diwali, the festival of lights. This day we worship Goddess Lakshmi. On this day, Ram returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. We decorate our houses with flowers, rangoli and lights. We also give sweets and presents to our loved ones, friends and parents. I wish all of you a very, very happy Diwali. Thank you, Tamara. Character portrayal of Ramayana. The Ramayana is one of the largest ancient epics in world literature. It narrates the life of Rama, a legendary prince of Ayodhya. Now, I invite our friends for a character portrayal of Ramayana. Devi, I am dressed up Lakshmana. Lakshmana was younger brother of Lord Rama, his son of King Dasharatha and Sumitra. He found of his brother and obeyed the orders. He accompanied during 14 years Vanavasa.
Hanuman is a very powerful and strong god. When he was young, he thought the sun as a mango. He finds an important place in the Ramayana. His mother's name was Anjana. His father's name was Kesari. He is blessed by Vayu, the god of winds. Hanuman's image shows him as a strong man.
My best friend Shankar is studying in grade 1. I am playing the role of Leva, the twin son of Lord Rama, Devi Sita. Educated and trained by Sage Valmiki, the adorable prince is a master in archery and an expert in reciting Ramayana. Indian epic with 24,000 verses. Namaste everyone. I am Kaushalya. I am the daughter of King Kaushal. I am the first queen of Ayodhya. I am married to King Dashrath. And I am the proud mother of Sri Rama. Thank you. I am Amira, wife of Lakshmana.
Lord Rama is the seventh avatar of Vishnu. He was the king of ancient India. Rama is the hero of Hindu epic, the Ramayana. According to the epic, Rama was born in Ayodhya. Rama accepted 14 years in exile with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana. Rama is considered to be the ideal man and a perfect human.
Thank you, friends. That was phenomenal. Now we have Robasuni with the Diwali sweet recipe. Hello everyone. I am Rova. I am going to make Diwali sweet. Morning. Roasted gram, jaggery, cardamom, cashew nut, ghee, mixed milk, gram powder into the bowl. And jaggery powder. Combine well. Cardamom powder and mix well. Add ghee into the pan. Cashew nut roasted under golden brown. Add mix to the mixture. Prepare laddu when the mixture is warm. Dough is ready. Thank you, Rama. Then, let us invite other dancing dancers for a rocking performance.
जरी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई। हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई। छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी, कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां। छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी, कर ले गल्ला चूड़ियां। ये नैन मटक्का तेरा ओए मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे, तू देख तो अज भी दिल पर उड़िए तीर सा एक जल जावे। कर दे बिन पिए शराबी, चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी, कोई क्यों ना इमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी।